So one of the most common problems faced by any car driver is the low visibility during nighttime due to dim headlights. Also on top of it, if it's raining very heavily or if it's a very foggy condition, of course the visibility pretty much comes down to zero. And here's where the new Woodman Bold LED comes into the picture. Woodman has launched a new LED headlights for the cars called as the Woodman Bold, and this gets not one, not two, but three built-in colors, or should I say 3-in-1 LED for your car headlight. And how do you change the different colors of the headlight, you might ask? Well, Woodman also provides a wireless remote control which you can use by sitting inside the car and actively change the color of the headlight while on the go. Yes, these headlights are revolutionary, and these are first time in India that anybody has introduced this level of convenience in getting a pure yellow light at 3000 Kelvin, getting a warm white light at 4300 Kelvin, or even getting a 6500 Kelvin pure white light for those long highway journeys. So I have been testing out these Woodman LEDs from the past 1 week, and I'm completely impressed with the kind of convenience, with the kind of visibility these headlights are providing. So these LED bulbs come at 200 watts and are basically adaptable to any kind of a car socket. So these are currently available at a price of 6,999, that's about 7,000 rupees, and you'll have to pay about 999, that's about 1,000 rupees in order to pre-book these LED headlights. So just in case if you're interested in taking a look at these headlights and you want to pre-book them, the link is given in the description below. Starting off with the build quality, these are very well built. They also include copper tubes for active heat dissipation. The installation part is also quite simple. I mean, they are available in all sorts of headlight sockets. So in my car I have a H4 socket, so Woodman did provide me a H4 socket compatible bulbs. So no matter which type of a socket you have in your car headlights, just inform Woodman regarding those and they will send you the corresponding one. So once the installation is done, all you need to do is just turn on the car and turn on the headlight to see the difference in the visibility. Now more specifically during heavy rain condition, during foggy conditions, the 3000 Kelvin yellow headlight is the best because it penetrates the most and it doesn't disturb the oncoming drivers. In regular city traffic, you can use the 4300 Kelvin, that's warm white, which kinds of gives you a bit more visibility and has a good penetration on the road. And if you're on the highway, especially talking about a 4-lane highway where there is no oncoming traffic, put on that 6500 Kelvin pure white, put on the high beam, and the road will light up just like it's daytime. And as said previously, the most convenient feature of these LED headlights is that this gets wireless remote control, which means you can control the color of the headlights sitting right within your driver's seat. I mean, you can even place the remote basically anywhere on the car and just press the button and you're good to go. One more super cool thing Woodman has included in these LED bulbs is the flash mode. So just in case if there's a very heavy vehicle moving in front of you and you want to overtake that vehicle during night, well, usually what we do is we just switch between the low beam and the high beam and try to indicate to the vehicle in front that we want to overtake. Well, you can do that with a press of a button within this remote because they provide a flash mode which switches the headlight bulb on and off continuously, indicating the driver in front that there's a car right behind you. Now this flash mode works flawlessly well, but there is something which you need to note, that this should be used only for overtaking in a highway when there is no oncoming traffic. I wouldn't recommend using the flash mode in city or in those roads which have oncoming traffic, because that might hurt the cars, that might hurt the driver's eyes who are coming right in front of you. But for highways, for single lane highways where there is no opposite traffic, the flash mode works flawlessly well. The high beam, the 6500 Kelvin pure white, works supremely well, and you have the most well lit road which you will just love to drive upon. Now this, as I said previously, takes out the problem of low visibility, because I personally in my car had this problem. The visibility in my Philips Extreme Vision bulbs was moderate, not very good, and I had to be very careful and I had to be very attentive towards the road. But in this case, it's just like driving during daytime. You don't have to be so attentive as you would have been if the headlight beam were not as strong. So this is a crazy new gadget, an awesomely amazing gadget. And if you are someone who is suffering from the problem of having low visibility in fog and rain, who want some highlighting visibility during your highway rides, the Woodman Bold LED is just the product for you, and you should go ahead and pre-book it straight away. The purchase link is given right down below in the description. So this was just a quick overview of what's coming up on Gizmo Beep in the upcoming week, the Woodman Bold LED. You will get to see the full review of this product, including the unboxing, the installation part, the real life test, and basically everything which you need to know about the Woodman Bold LED. So in case if you don't want to miss that super cool and super amazing video, you need to make sure that you hit that subscribe button of my channel right now, smash that like button, and share this video with all your friends who have very low visibility in their cars, who want to upgrade their headlight bulbs into LED ones and get the power of the Woodman Bold LED and just light up the road like it's daytime. See you in the next one.